What's up, everybody? We're back at I95 Motorsports. This is what we're on this week. You might not have seen it last time we were in here. I'm doing a little video in. This is a 96 Impala. The biggest thing we could say is no Christmas trees in the lights. We put a Dakota digital in it. It's got the 6.2 LS swap. We took all the ABS out of it. Everything was wired nice. All the computers are in the car underneath the dashboard. Basically rewired everything. All the wiring redone. Fan relays rehooked up, resoldered together. Nice pulley kit on it. Did the cold air intake, everything out of aluminum. Radiator hoses, uppers and lowers. Did a hydroboost switch out, took the ABS out. Put a proportioning valve in it. It's a badass little car. Put a cover on it. So we're moving on. This one just came back from exhaust. Now we're gonna finish putting it together. This is Deja Blue. You can see it's got the nice cutouts. We did the cutout exhaust, all stainless steel. Nothing hanging around here. Cold air intake. We did that. Upper and lower radiator hoses out of stainless. We still got valve covers coming for this. Then we can put the hood back on and start putting the interior back together. 99 Tahoe we've been doing. We're actually wet sanding and buffing it now. You see what it's starting to look like. Yeah, it's getting there. That's only the first buff. That's the wool pad. So this one's been a hell of a project. A lot bigger than a donk, let me tell you. But we're trying to make it look nice. 73 I'm working on, finishing up the tub pockets for the top so the convertible rack can work. Fire up this cigarette. Oh, it's already fired up. Next thing will be rewiring this whole car, making it run. Got an LT4 in it. Oh yeah, we're redoing all the interior for this. Redoing all the kick panels, redoing all the speaker pods, putting speakers in the back with lights, speakers in the kicks. I don't know where he's at. He's running around here somewhere. This one, we just got the new back rims for it. We just got all the brakes for it. We're gonna start putting it together. The rear end, the axle should be here tomorrow. So we'll put that on and start putting the car together. Gotta change the steering wheel. Oh, you and my fucking bicycles? Yeah. Yeah, bike collection. I still got some at home. These are just ones I liked. Jamie Bestwick. Old GT, I got a 79 Redline down there. I got bikes at home too. I'm not allowed to buy cars no more. Pretty good reflection. That's this side. We're basically trying to get shit done. This to 50, we're still working on that. We just got the hood hinges in. We're getting ready to do the billet hood hinges on it. Those will be on the front. The whole front's one piece. We just skinned some quarters. Basically took them all apart. We're doing a floor for my car. New rockers in it. I'm gonna put those rockers in my car. This is Steven's car. We're waiting for parts for the Eleanor. This is Steven's car. We're basically going body work already. We've already replaced the floor, re-seam sealed the whole floor. A lot of people wonder why we do sandblasting the floor, because now that the floor is in the car, I don't have to spend hours with the car on the lift cleaning the bottom of it, or put it on a rotisserie and clean it. All we have is a small section to clean in the back of the car now. But you can see we try to keep it minimal on filler. We try to keep it to a minimum. So we'll line this door, this fender and door up tomorrow. As you can see, Juan's out here now. The other guys went home. He's out here now splitting this apart for me. He's already taken the whole back section off the rocker, cleaned it all the way around the edge. Basically what we're doing is, this is a whole complete rocker piece for a convertible. This butts up to the wheel well, so we took it all the way out from the floor. This is one whole original piece. The rocker sits on top of this. Basically you see where that section is. That's where we were replacing this section on a car there. So I'm going to take this whole section and put it in my car, and then I'll put a new floor in my car, and that'll all be new on the bottom. But you got to do it in sections, piece by piece. And then we got the Hell Runner we're working on, Celine Dion. And then we got a 75. We're getting ready to paint this now. The inner wheel wells or the outer wheel wells for Lace's car. This is 75. Get ready to get painted. We're actually waiting for the paint for this thing. It's already body worked and finished. Has to be taped up. All the parts are already finished. As you can see, there's a lot of parts to paint. We still got to remove this off the front. There's the wheel wells and everything. Hood. I got to put that hood back on that, or go put it on that truck. That's the hood for the truck. So yeah, just going. Actually, this is 75 hood. That's 73 hood. That's a Tahoe hood. And then we got Lace's car. Basically, one of these wheel wells is for that. I'll show you what I was doing. All right, so basically these are the, I believe they're new inner wheel wells for Lace's car. Show you what we got. This will be my new wheel well for this car. And I'll get that in there and get that to section and sit right back in there where it was. But yeah, I've already cut the tubs out. I've got the floor situated where I want it. I'm gonna put these in. I'm gonna loosen the bottom of these quarter panels, take these screws out, put this in, and then I'll push on the quarters and kind of get them lined up so I can get all this back in the car. Oh shit, fucking knee is killing me. And as you see, this is my car. Checkerboard. Flag Mania. My quarters are fucked up. My wheel wells are fucked up. I started making the inside of the rear wheel well. I think I'm just gonna get inners and put them in there. This is the rockers. I'm taking the rockers. That's what he's doing right now, so I can replace all my rockers. I got pieces for this so I can replace the whole firewall. I got a new floor. I got new quarters with the outer wheel wells already on them. So all I got to do is section these in now to the original car. A little bit of work. So make sure you like, follow, fuck with us.